Here is my national F-MN305 from 1997, a 12-inch table fan made by Matsushita Electric. It's available in KDK version as well, with the model number KB30E as the counterpart to this fan. While there is no serial number that shows that it's from 1997, let me just show you the sticker real quick. Here, F-MN305. The serial number is blank, it doesn't show anything. But what we do know that if we flip it like this, you can see /97. It's from 1997. And for the barcode, which has its own set of numbers, the first digit, which is 7, represents the year of production. 7, 1997. It has a 48 watt 14-pole motor with a thin shaft. Now that is compared to the mid-80s fans. This is a late 90s fan. You can see the motor is different. If I show you my 401SM, the motor shaft has a thickness of, I think, 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters. I need vernier calipers to measure it exactly, but I don't have that yet. Whereas this has a thin shaft motor, which has a different metal case than the 401SM. It does have a little bit of motor whine, but I like that. Nothing wrong with a little bit of motor whine. The KB30B I have has a much louder whine. Some national or KDK fans are advertised with 5-way oscillation, which means you can tilt it up, down. But the interesting thing is, inside here the neck has detents, so you can make it oscillate 45 degrees either way, or 90 degrees to the left, or 90 degrees to the right. That is the 5-way oscillation. That's what it means. I'll show you. Here it is, all the way to the right. Something is wacky with the oscillation mechanism. So maybe I push it down a bit, then it will show. Here it is, all the way to the left. And it can't push it to the left anymore. Relative to the base, it is very much leaning towards the left. And all the way to the right, I think that's as far as it will go. I'm not sure. I need to check out the oscillation mechanism. It's not supposed to have that much free play within the detents. Yeah, something is up with the oscillation. Yeah, I think this is a little bit tight, but certainly looser will droop by itself. And you may notice the motor cover is also, the paint is starting to get patchy. I think this was a kitchen fan, so it was exposed to the outdoors. Probably. I'm not sure why the grill ring did not discolor like this though. Anyway, here's medium. Have I shown you the back? Here is the back. You may notice it has a round back motor cover on a 12-inch fan. The later F-MN305 had an oval or egg shape at the back of the motor cover. On the 12-inch fan, it's ugly as hell. I honestly prefer the round back on all the fans. I'll show you what I mean when I make the video of the 308 when I head back to Penang. And here's high. You may notice there's a white patch on one of the blades. There's a bit of white lithium grease. I don't know why I sprayed it on the blade a little bit. Maybe just to have the effect of keeping track of the revolutions of the fan or something. I'm quirky, ha! It really does communicate a breeze. What I like about this is the blade angle, or the pitch. It is rather steep, so it is kind of a high static pressure. It can be capable of high static pressure. Like if you press it right against the cupboard and you put it on, the breeze will shoot to the sides, everywhere, instead of sounding like it's trapped in a pillow or something. There's a red Matsushita film capacitor in there, 1.5 UF, 450 volts, if I remember correctly. Let's go straight to medium. When I got it, the motor shaft and the blade and the cage were greasy, oily, sticky. The bearings were gummed up as well, so I flushed it out with electronic contact cleaner and put 3-in-1 blue can for motors. Both front and rear oil wicks were flushed and new lube was added in copious amounts so they will never run dry. Well, not in a very long time at least. What the heck? What is that doing in here? For now, I think that's all I will do. This has wound up to be a nearly 10-minute long video. I think I'll make a shorter video just showing the oscillation and the 3 speeds. But this one includes a little bit of rambling on it. So I'll be on my way to make the short video.